Alright, well, here she is. Got some rust in the front of the hood. If I can get it on camera, go ahead and open the hood. All the way across the front, it's got rust in it. And it has separated from the hood itself. But doesn't hurt anything. Everything in here is solid. Only rust front of the hood. Alright, grill got its fair share of little nicks and bruises, and bumper's got a little dent in it. This fender has been repainted, and the door has been repainted. Well, it's been replaced and repainted. It was in a fender bender and got banged up, so they put one off another truck on it. Alright, driver's door has got rust on the inside and the outside. It's starting to come through up front. Passenger side. Both fenders are perfect. Rust coming up front, rust already in the back. This side is original paint. No rust in the inside that I can see. Original interior. Gun rack for the liberals. Original dash. Every piece of trim that's on it has screws holding it on. Bed floor is very solid. Very. And pretty straight. Not many dents in it. Tailgate's pretty straight. No rust. Original dealer installed rear bumper. Dealer sticker. This truck was parked because the owner said that after it would run for half a day, it would start running hot. Well, I replaced the radiator and put in I bought a new radiator for this truck, for this engine. And I put a 6-blade Ford, well, 5-blade. Sorry, I forgot how to count there for a minute. 5-blade fan, and I hadn't had any trouble out of it. Replaced the hoses. Put a reman carburetor on it. Shifts good, drives good. Power brakes, manual steering. Nice little exhaust leak. The donut gasket is gone. But it is what it is, man. It's an old truck. But all in all, good old truck.